Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use JDownloader 2. So first of all, make sure JDownloader 2 is up and running. Make sure you downloaded it on their official website. So let's try to download some. So this is what you have to do. So first, go to your desired resource or material. So let's use pixels. Let's click one that we want to download. Make sure in your download page you have a download button, which is very common. Now here there's a free download button here. So when I click this, it will automatically download this clip, but we don't want the browser to download it. We want JDownloader to download. So what you have to do is to right click the button and then click copy link. So usually JDownloader automatically detects or fetches the data when you are browsing. So most of the time it will reflect here in the link grabber, but right now we will add this manually. Go to downloads tab, and then here you right click on it and then click add new links. It will automatically paste the link here and we just hit on continue. It will say that it's searching. It will automatically redirect you to the link grabber and then just hit run or the play button here. It will start all downloads. And you can see it is now downloading. That's how you use JDownloader 2.